Next file you create a style2.css, style2.css in import folder. Under import CSS folder, we can create a file style2.css. Style2.css, one file, and one more file called you can write file name called overflow.html. Overflow.html. In overflow.html file, we can call the CSS using link method is also fine. Using import method is also fine. At the rate import space URL style 2.css. Import space URL style 2.css. Come down under the body tab, create a division, give ID equal to block 1. Block 1. Now inside the block 1, you keep some text that should be something like this. Should be more text, okay? to the CSS file. In the CSS file, we can write the CSS for block 1. The style2.css file. एक स्टेप कम कर दो आप फैन, reduce one step. This makes some illegal sound in between. Okay, hope ready. Come to the style.css file, the style2.css file. In that you write there as block 1, keep some height 200 pixel, give some width 200 pixel, give some background orange color, give margin also 30 px, give also 10 px, give float also as a left. You will find the content of this block will go outside. Content of this block will go, division will go outside. Content is going outside. Write the content, write this, save the file, run your overflow.html file. Ready? Division content is going outside. Division content will go outside. Hope is similar for everyone. Okay, so reason to go outside is only one. Reason to go outside is only one. Height you have given 200 and content you have given more. So another option what we have, we can give as a mean height. Mean height 200 will give, then it will get increase. Right? That is one option. Another option we have, suppose the total area is just the 200 by 200 only. Area is this much. There is no place to increase the height. And in this area only you have to display the content. So what we can do, we can apply a scroller here in the right hand side. A scroller. So the content will not go out of the box. Within division only there will be scroll. We can scroll up down and we can see. That is called scroll overflow auto. Okay. Overflow auto. Overflow auto. क्या happening? Overflow we got. See, scroller got applied. This is called a scroll overflow. In that we can apply for the X position also and Y position also. Both we can apply. Okay. So let's go. Overflow hyphen X. X auto or overflow X keep as hidden. No, X is auto and Y is hidden. X is auto and Y is hidden. This should be for the block 2, not for the same block. It should be for the block 2. Hope ready. Block 2. Block 2, what is going to do? X will be auto and Y will be hidden. We'll come to the again HTML. We'll come to the HTML. Same division you copy. Paste again. In the second division, ID will be block 2. And the space you have space you have given between the words, remove the space. Don't give a space between the words. Remove the spaces. We'll try once without space how that looks. Hello. Hello. Tell me. What's the name? Vinod. Okay, wait for some 10-15 minutes. Other person will call you. Okay, wait for some time. 10-15 minutes. Some other person will call you. So will guide you. That's what I told you that to call after 10:30. You can call after half an hour. Okay, hope ready. Save now. Remove the space and then check. See, the word will be something like this. Single word. Okay, one word with a long text. One word with a long text. One word. Usually, most of the people type like this. Okay, when you are creating the page and all, you will feel uncomfortable and you will write such a word, such a big word. Okay, now suppose someone have written like this. What will happen in that case? Will it fit properly or not? Write like this, we'll come to the CSS and we'll see there. Ready? Come to the browser, see what is happening. It's something like this. This scroller got applied. Now let's increase little more content. Then we'll come to know. Increase little more content. After this, add this, add this, add this, add this. Add more content. Okay, ABCD copy paste from internet is also fine. Okay, ready? Save now. Check again. See how that looks. Which one is visible now? X or Y? Hmm? The person is called. It's open only. Okay. See here. Now what happened is what we have written in the CSS. Look there. In the CSS we have written called X as a auto, Y as a hidden. Now keep as a X as a hidden and put Y as a auto. X as a hidden, Y as a auto. Check now. Any difference? Now height got the scroller, width had no scroller. But the content we have written the big length, DDD, can you see that? It's not displaying all. Now come there. Then what should happen? So display or not display? Keep here X also as a auto, Y also as a auto. See what will happen. Both the side scroller will apply. In height also and width also. Height got apply? No. The scroller will get apply both the side. Something like this. So this is called overflow. Overflow, auto and overflow hidden. Overflow auto means if the content is more than area, a scroller will apply. Hidden means if content is more than that, remaining will not display. Okay. Next challenge is you can see the word is coming such a big word. Correct? Big word is coming here. So how to break that? So for that, we will create one more ID. Create one more ID. Block 3. Has block 3. Has block 3. as block 3. As block 3. Inside that, let it be overflow only auto. Or overflow, which one will keep? Okay, let it be overflow only auto. X and Y not required. Right, overflow auto given for which block? The block 3. In HTML again you can copy paste again last division where you have written long words, those lines you can copy paste. Block 3, block 2 you can copy and paste again. Again block 3. Let them to tell something. Hope CSS will be written block 1, block 2. Let me know. Yes, no, then we can write the next one. Okay, some more has to reply. Next, after that, come to the HTML division 2 you copy, paste after this. Change the ID as a division 3. Block 3. Block 3. In block 3, both the side we have a scroller because we are given overflow auto. Wherever the content is more, what to do? Apply the scroller. In this, we want to learn, in this last division, we will learn if the word length is bigger than the area, how to break it. If the word length is bigger than the area width, then how to break it. So we have a property. Overflow you can remove also, no problem at all. Okay. Overflow is not required for this. In this, we are learning how to remove the which one? How to fit the text into the given area. How to break the word. Okay, you can write here inside, or maybe you can write how to break the words. Come to the style 2.css file. Overflow you have written. Let it be. Come down below. You can write below word break. If the word is bigger, then word hyphen break colon break hyphen all. Word break all. Word break all. Word break all. Word break, break all. See, the word was big word, it's got broken automatically. And then after that, scroller got applied for top to bottom. Given the width, it has to work. Okay. Next, after that, we got idea on this one, word break and overflow. Overflow auto, overflow hidden. Now write for the body tab. For body tab, we have a property called linear gradient. Using that, you can set multi-color combination for a division for a body or anywhere. Linear gradient. It's called background hyphen image colon linear hyphen linear gradient. Under this linear gradient, we need to pass multiple color combination. Suppose if I keep in that sky blue, the first color, blue as a second color, orange as a third color. So a screen background will change into three color combination. Upper portion sky blue, middle portion blue, last portion is orange. Anything? Linear gradient. See, the color is different. Sky blue, orange, blue, and then orange. Okay, working. Then the next property. One more was missing. That is called text shadow. Text shadow. Suppose you have some text. For that you want to display any kind of shadow. How to apply the text shadow? Okay, create next file. After 1 year, 2 year, this side people will start. These will use 1 year, next 1 year we will. Okay. Create next file. Give the file name text shadow.html. Shadow. You can call the same CSS file. Same CSS file we can call style2.css. body and HTML. One ID equal to next one text 2 text 3 text 4. Okay, ready? Now come to the CSS file. You can run this HTML. You will find that text will be plain text with no any kind of better decoration. Now this CSS got apply again because the same CSS is calling. Okay, no problem. We can go to the CSS file, the style2.css file, and we can write some CSS for this text 1, text 2, text 3. We can apply some 3D text and we can make it a shadow. So go there under the style2.css file. Hope HTML is ready. Inside that CSS file, you will add here a ID as text1, text1, color as a red, font size 50px, and then text shadow. Text shadow, the first number come from the left side. Okay, so first number keep as a 0px or maybe 1px. Second number come from the top, keep also 1px, 1px. The third number is density. Suppose we give as a 5px. Last you can give as a orange color or some other color. Green color will be fit inside, white color, right? So left, top, and then density. First number from left side, second number from the top side, and third number is a density. Shadow is getting applied, but not very much. Okay, let me do inspect, and through that I'll try. Okay, something like this. So how much? 35, 30, and 2. 35, 30, and 2. 35, 31, and then 2 somewhere. Shadow got applied. Now same way for the text 2, 3, 4, you can try here something. Number is there, no? Copy paste, change the number, see where it is reflecting. For text 2, change the number and see where it's reflect. Change all the number in each. In the number, see how it is happening. It's kind of a shadow. Please change the number. In set, you have text 1, 3, 4, no? Each place change the number. Somewhere keep minus 50 also. See where it is happening. -2 also, see what is happening. 4 places you have 4 text, copy and paste and change the number and see where which number reflect from there. Left side also give in minus, left side. Number, its number is written from where? First number from where? First number from where? Left side. Huh? I'm asking from you the here in the text shadow we are written 35 pixel. Where it is reflecting? Left, right, top, bottom, where? It is pushing towards it. If you give in minus, what will happen? Minus a bit, right? It will come where in the. It goes to where? Left side. Okay. Next, after that, the second number is where is it reflecting? Second number. Second number reflect here. You see, it's reflecting from where? From the top. If you give in minus, then it will go up. Suppose if I give in minus 50, it will go up. Yeah. So going up. Next, after that, last number is what is that? Last number, density of shadow. Last number is density of shadow. It's come like this. Let me give more number. One number I have given. I'll give 30 40 number. You will see it is not visible itself. It will spread like it is shadow. It's not visible. Let me give 5. It's okay little. Okay. That is called density of the shadow. Last is the color of the shadow. Which color the shadow should appear. Next file. Next file you create called rotate.html. Next file you create, give the file name called rotate. R-O-T-A-T, rotate.html. Rotate.html. Till body, everything you can copy from here. No problem. Paste in next file. Rotate.html. Rotate.html. Let's display one photo here. Take the right H1. CSS rotate example. Now come down below, display one image, one.jpg, write one ID or maybe class, my pic, okay. So in current folder, keep 4 photos, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll write the class here. Check now in folder, you have the photos. Photos are there already. We need to write the CSS for this, like it. What time he has class? Let to come. 11:30 I have to give the lab. Now let's go inside. Write the height and width. Display 4 photo in one line. Write some CSS here so that it should display 4 photo in one line. Equal gap. 4 photos should add in display in one line. Ready? What CSS we added? Please share in the chat. Anyone has written? Four photos are coming in one line. Anyone can send the code in chat. See, float left why required? Yeah. Float left where you apply. Remove float left and check without float left is happening or not. Float left we apply those places where you need to convert from block to inline. Image by default it will come in one line. Why need to apply the float left? So this is 200 by 200. This is 100% wrong calculation. Whose code is that? Let me see. The first person, the code is called. Okay. So whoever written this code, I have copied from chat. It's 100% wrong. Okay. Now you are written 200 by 200. My monitor is 300 pixel. Will four photo will fit in one line? Use percent symbol. Use percent and then first check. See here. See how shortcut. 200 by 200 and margin 1%. Very good. All are wrong. All are wrong. 100% people are wrong. Okay. So height to give is okay in height. But width, how can you give like this? Your computer is big size, someone else's computer will be a small size. Right? Percentage wise, we have learned this margin 10 pixels is 100% wrong. Okay. Your computer is small, someone will open in mobile phone, what will happen? Use percent sign and then say. Give margin 2% and after that remaining space distribute in all four and whatever come actual in that 0.5% you have to reduce. I suppose 22 you are going to give, so to give 21.5%. 0.5% you have to reduce and then write it. Use the percent and then display four photo in one line. No, suppose four photo you want to display in one line. Assume 2%. Width, how much will come? 25% or more than that? 25% will come. Height you are given 200 is okay. Now next, if you give 2% as a margin, then 2% left, 2% right, 4%. So here it should come 21%. But I told you to minus 0.5 in actual. 20.05%. .05%. 20.5. Okay. Now you will see four photos should fit in one device, one line in all the devices. A small device, large device, no matter, everywhere four photos should fit in one line. Think four photo. Now next line, keep here one HR. Color equal to white or maybe any color. Size equal to 10. Okay, now after this, write a CSS to display the 6 photo in one line. Okay, my pick 2. Write this class and display total. How many photos? 6 photo. Do something. Written. Displaying. What is the width? Send the code in chat once. Anyone? Six photos should appear in one line. It's a wrong calculation here. Who sent the code? See, there is a space in the right side. How you calculated? How much will come? 100%. If you divide by 6, how much will come? 16.66 minus 4. 2% margin. How much? 12.66. 12.66. In that, 12.1 you gave. Yes, still there is a less. 12.2 we can give. Maybe 4 we can give. 4 should go to the new line. Yeah, it's gone to the new line. 12.3. Fitting properly. 12.2 will be lesser or equal. Is okay. It's matching. Now come there. Write a CSS called img hover. Whether you move on the small image or big image, no matter. img hover. Whenever the mouse will move on image. When the mouse will move on image, img hover, what should happen? Opacity 0.5. Opacity will get reduced. Check it. Brightness will get reduced. Image brightness. Opacity 0.5. Opacity used to reduce the brightness. Cursor pointer. Okay. So wherever the mouse will go, what will happen? Opacity is getting reduced. That is called brightness. Next, in the same photo, you can apply here rotate. ROTAT, rotate. Not rotate directly. Transform rotate. Transform rotate. 150 degree. Okay, rotate is happening. When the mouse will go, rotate will happen. Rotate is getting happen. But it is happening very fast. We can control through the transition. Go up. Under the image only. Oh, but this is called my pick, and here we have this one. No problem. Try writing here. But for IMG it will not happen. Okay, then we can call both the class here, no problem. But hover will apply for only one. That is another problem. Let me add here. Transition. Transition colon transform. 2 seconds. If okay, then it will rotate in 2 seconds. Transition not applying, right? Hmm? Or my pick 2 or here. Okay. And for pick 1, because we are not added there, add this line there also. It will take 2 second time to change. Something like this. This is called rotate property and transition property. You can write here one more property called border radius. 50%. So mean that Css you have written transition colon transform 2 second over opacity cursor pointer transform colon rotate 150 dg. Check once in the page. HTML file should save now. Control this. Refresh the page. It was not saved. Not saved. Okay. Next, come to the CSS. Now create the next file, hide_so.html. 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 There only. We can call the same HTML file till head remains same. UL with the body. UL li. Is li. For every li, write a class. LOC. Hope ready. Now go to the Bangalore. After the Bangalore li, put a UL. You can keep li. Silk board, white field, here, under the Mumbai, create a UL, li by location 1 location 2 3. Chennai also, and ULLI Chennai 1, Chennai 2, 3. Okay, so this is becoming a, if you run this, all will print in the new line. We will create the menu and submenu. Mouse will go to the main menu. Submenu will get open. Okay, I hope ready. HTML is ready. Let's will work on this. Okay, it look like this. All the main menus should come in one line. Home, about, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai should come in one line. When you move the mouse on Bangalore, Marathali location will get open. When you move the mouse on Bangalore, Mumbai location will come. Okay, this will be like the menu and submenu. So that will work tomorrow. Final of CSS, how to create the menu and submenu. All assignments are ready. This assignment, some few photos will upload today. You can try it. After uploading, I will message you. You can follow that link. So what looks similar or something else? Similar. Okay. So this will become like a website menu and submenu will work tomorrow.